Ads are only going to put you in a hole if you do not understand how to correctly run them and you do not understand the metrics behind an advertisement going well. One of the best analogies for advertising is that ads are like fuel to a fire that's already burning, right? If you're trying to throw ads onto your problem, you're just spraying gasoline everywhere. There is no spark. There is no fire. You're not selling out. You know what I mean? Like an object in motion stays in motion unless it's met by equal or opposite force. Well, yeah, if you're trying to run ads and you don't have any sales, no sales is that equal and opposite force, and it's going to stop your ads right in their damn tracks. Straight up. If you don't think you ever hit a brick wall before, try running ads on a product that is not selling. You're going to find out very fast that this is not the solution. I'm wasting a lot of money here. So the best solution to sales is sales.